Hello students, I'm going to talk a little bit louder because my last videos were kind of soft. I am doing this last video for 5.1 taking a look at MathXL and how it's a little bit different than if you just had a handout. So this is 5.1 number 3, so I'm going to write that down. We're doing MathXL 5.1 number 3. And it is 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. Now, when you do these, please do them on paper first, and then transpose them into MathXL. I can't emphasize that enough, and yet students do not listen, so I will let you know now. I'm going to tell you this probably over and over again to first do it on paper because you're going to be tested on paper, not on MathXL, at least at this point. So this is an inequality in which the x and y are on the left-hand side. This is standard form, and we're going to note that it's going to be a solid boundary, and also when I graph 3x plus 5y equals 15, I'm going to use intercepts to graph. So when I put 0 in here for x, I get y is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 5. Oops, excuse me, put that in the wrong place. There we go. So that is 0, 3. That's y equals 3. It should go over here. Now if I put in 0 for my y, what do I get? Let's move this over here. 3x plus 5 times 0 equals 15. This gives me 3x equals 15, and x is equal to 5. So over here in my chart, this should be 5, 0. I'm going to graph those two intercepts. So again, doing this by hand. And with MathXL, sometimes you're not sure what window. It will tell you. Come over here, and it's just your regular plus or minus 10 window. So you're going to make use of that when you're graphing these from MathXL, what units they have. And this is just a standard window here. So I'm going to go 3 in my y direction. That's 0, 3. And then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Those are my intercepts. And I'm going to get my straight edge and connect those. And it is solid. Sometimes I forget, but it is solid. Remember, it's less than or equal to. If it had been just less than, I would have had to draw a dotted boundary. Now I'm going to do a test point of 0, 0. I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to test 0, 0 into my 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. So if I put 0 in here and 0 in here, is that less than or equal to 15? So that's all 0, and that's true. And because that's true, this point, 0, 0, we're going to shade on this side. So notice that I have done this on paper. So that's what your homework should look like. You've got it on paper. Now, let's take a look at MathXL. What kind of fun we get to do here. Let's see. I'm looking here. I'm going to click on the graph. Okay, so I'm clicking on the graph. And I'm going to graph a line. So that's my line icon right there. And if I come over here, I'm going to plot 0, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is right here. Click. And I'm also going to plot 5, 0. So that is right there, 5, 0. You could make this larger. I'm not sure what's going to happen with my laptop. Okay, there you go. And now, do you see how it's solid? You could have created a dotted line right here by clicking that. So if I click on this and change it to dotted, that's when the boundary doesn't have an equal, but this one is an equal, so I'm going to leave it solid. And we are graphing, now that we have the line, there is a little bucket here. So I'm going to click the bucket, and I have to decide if I'm going to shade on this side or that side. And it is this side, if you remember from our work. So it's the left side of that. And I'm going to hit save and check answer. And we got it. All right, I wanted you to see that. Until next time, have some good homework assignments done. Bye-bye.